In the battlefield of hospitals where every second counts, the safety, stability, and durability of oxygen supply equipment act as guardians of life, allowing no room for error. The medical molecular safe oxygen generation system by CanGas, with its excellent performance, navigates the complex and changing clinical environment effortlessly, continuously delivering qualified oxygen to patients. Over the past 13 years, a certain system from CanGas has been quietly working in a domestic hospital, not only witnessing countless patients regain their health but also demonstrating true reliability with zero major faults. This achievement is underpinned by high-quality equipment, meticulous maintenance by a professional team, and CanGas's relentless pursuit of technological innovation. The long-term stable operation of the equipment not only reduces the hospital's operational costs but also ensures the continuity, efficiency, and safety of medical services. The CanGas PSA oxygen generation system, 13 years of stable operation testifies to the power of quality.